Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered the introduction part of Node-RED integration with the A9G board, okay, in which we have covered that how to make a call on fixed number, how to hang up the call, how to send SMS to fixed number, how to personalize your SMS, and how to send that personalized SMS. Also in the future we will see how to dial a number from Node-RED via A9G board so you can make the call to any number. Okay, so we have covered the we have covered the introduction of integration of A9G board with the Node-RED. Now in this video we will see how to set up the A9G board with the Node-RED. Okay, so this was our first video, that introduction to Node-RED integration with the A9G module. Now in this video what we will see is setting up the serial communication in between Node-RED and A9G board. So if you open your device manager, then you will see one serial port which is connected, okay, and which is connected to this A9G board. If I remove it, just a moment, okay, I have removed it and you cannot see any serial port available here. So this is the USB to serial converter, okay, CP2102, which is the chip inside this. So this is connected to this A9G board, and this A9G board is power up using this USB cable. So once you connect this to your system, you will have one COM port in your system. So we are going to use that COM port for serial communication between Node-RED and A9G board. Okay, so let me plug that again. Okay, you can see COM5 is available. Now you can use COM5 to send the AT commands to this A9G board. Okay, so we are going to use the COM5 port to send the AT commands to the A9G board. Also, whatever A9G board respond, okay, we are going to read that data from the COM5 port. So if you open the Node-RED, here I have used this serial in and serial out node. If you drag and drop the serial in node, and if you double click, and if you try to add new serial port and click on this pencil icon, and if you click on this search button, you will see that COM5 is connected. I can use the COM5. Okay, I can set the baud rate, I can set the data bit, parity, stop bit, and every other parameter for serial communication. So that's all I have done to communicate with this A9G board. So I have used two node. Okay, the first one is serial in and the second one is the serial out. So you can see serial out will send data via local serial port. Okay, so whatever AT command I want to send to this A9G board, I can send using serial out node, and whatever response I want to read from this A9G board, I can read using serial in node. You can see read data from a local serial port. So this A9G board will send a response to our system, okay, via this serial communication. So I can read the data using serial in node, and whatever data I want to send, okay, whatever AT command I want to send, whatever SMS body I want to send, I can use serial out node to send all those things. Now here you can see send commands to A9G board and response from A9G board. So response means we are using serial in node. You can see here serial in node, and we are going to send the commands to A9G board. So for that we are going to use the serial out node. Okay, and here you can see I have selected the serial port COM5 with the baud rate 115200, data bits 8, parity none, and the stop bit 1. If you click on this pencil, then you will see the baud rate, data bits, parity, and the stop bit. Apart from that, everything is unchanged. Okay, I haven't touched any other serial parameter apart from this 4 thing and this serial port. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear. Also, in the serial in node, we have the same configuration, COM5, baud rate 115200, data bit 8, parity none, and the stop bit 1. Okay, and that's it. So we have configured two node to read the data from A9G board and to send the data to A9G board. So whenever you want to send the data to A9G board, we are going to use the serial out node. Okay, and whenever we want to read the data from A9G board, we are going to use the serial in node. And here is the debug node, which used to read what we are sending and what we are receiving from the A9G board. So let me deploy it. Okay, and let me open the debug window. So I have created a flow in which every 1 second I am sending AT command. Okay, so in the response of AT command, the node, the A9G board will send OK message, that if an A9G board is okay, if the status of A9G board is fine, then it will send OK in the return, and if the status of A9G board is not fine, then it will not send anything. Okay, so we are going to send the AT command in a few seconds, okay, which is automatically sent by our second flow. Okay, so in the response it will receive okay, then it is fine that A9G board is up and running, otherwise we have to check the A9G board. So let's wait for a few minutes until this flow will send AT command to this A9G board. In the serial out, we are going to send the AT command. See, in the serial out, we have sent the AT command. You can see this output is related to this debug node. So we have sent the AT command. In the response, A9G board told us that I have received this AT command, and the response of this AT command is okay, that I am okay, I am up and running, you can use me. Okay, so this is how this serial in and serial out node is going to work. And if you don't have any serial in or serial out node in the node section, then you can go to manage palette, and then in the nodes you can install this one, Node-RED node serial port. Okay, so once you install this Node-RED node serial port, you will have this 5 node: serial in, serial out, serial request, serial port, and serial control. So I am using right now serial in and serial out for communicating with the A9G board. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear. So this first part of the flow will send all AT commands to the A9G board, and the second part of this flow will read all the response from the A9G board, that what AT commands we have sent, okay, and what is the response of that AT command. So every minute I am going to send the AT command. You can see here I have sent the AT command, and in the response you can see this one is highlighted when I am hovering the mouse. Okay, in the response, A9G board told me that I have received the AT command and I am okay, you can use me. Okay, so this is how we will configure this serial in and serial out node for this A9G board. Now in the next video we will see how to check the A9G board that it is up or not. Okay, we are sending the AT commands. Okay, so how to send that AT command, so we will see that in the next video. So in this video we have covered that how to set up this serial communication in the Node-RED for A9G integration. Okay, so if you have any question or any doubt in this, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Also you can send a comment on this video. Also you can mail me. It's up to your choice how you want to communicate with me. So I hope this thing is clear. The main two node for entire series is serial out node and serial in node. So whatever AT command we want to send, we can send using serial out node, and whatever response we are going to read, okay, we are going to read it using serial in node. So whenever you receive any SMS, the serial in node will in the work, because once we receive the SMS, serial in node will let us know that I have received the SMS. A9G board has received the SMS. And whenever we want to send any SMS, then we will send all the AT commands using this serial out node. Okay, and even if we want to make a call, then also we will send the AT commands via this serial out node. So this A9G board will make a call or send the SMS. And make sure that your A9G board is running on the AT command firmware, then only this will work. If your A9G board is running on the MicroPython firmware, then this flow will not work. As far as I have used, there are two versions, the AT command firmware version and the MicroPython version. So I am running AT command firmware version in my A9G board. So I can send the AT command, and in the response, this A9G board will again give me some text based on the AT command that yes, I am making a call, I am getting a ring, I am receiving SMS, everything. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. So we will meet you in the next video, and in the next video we will see how to check A9G module status with the AT commands using Node-RED. Okay, so we are going to cover this second flow, checking A9G board status with AT commands in the Node-RED. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.